hear this jam. I'm going to leave the link in my description box. Today is the 13th of September, a Sunday. I'm just starting a new vlog at this time. I think it's almost 5 p.m. I'm always starting my vlog looking rough. Will you guys not pray for me? I just uploaded the weekly vlog for today. If you've not seen that one, please do check it out, okay? Forgive my manners. I feel like we're a family already, so I shouldn't be introducing myself all the time, but it is Rosie Peters, and welcome to my channel, okay? I make videos on fashion, lifestyle. I do vlogs like I'm doing now, and maybe a little bit of something that might come up in the future. But if you didn't already know, if you check my previous vlog, you'll see how I came about with this nails and this hair. I didn't even show you guys while I was preparing for church. The first time I'm going to church after lockdown. The lockdown started in March, and I've not been to church since March because of the pandemic. It was good. It felt good. You know, praise and worship was on point. I danced for the Lord and it felt really good. Okay. Right now, I told you guys I told you guys from the previous vlog that I don't like these lashes, so I'm going to remove the lashes. Somebody said it's lashes, not latches. The person knows himself. I will remove this. I have a test to write tomorrow, guys, so pray for me, okay? I'll just revise the test, do the dishes, cook something, and if you do not know, this is 6 p.m. here in Kaduna State, Nigeria. It is 6 p.m. so it's kind of dark. Lightning is not really in the room, so please pardon me. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. Bye. I'm about to eat a bread from Ostrich Bakery. I'm trying to look for the address so that I can show you guys. I don't want to say what I'm not sure about, but number 2 Amadu Bello Way, Kaduna. I think there's one in Bernawa if I'm not mistaken. But I love their cake. Like, you know, all those soft, really soft cakes. Yeah. This one is the bread I'm about to eat. So this is the bread and egg I'm about to eat before I step out. I needed you guys to see this. I've never had their bread before, but I just opened it and see what I found inside. I don't know what this is, but I can feel coconut. I can definitely feels like coconut butter. I really don't know, but really you guys should try this bread out. It is so nice. Good morning, guys. It's the 16th, so I skipped Monday and Tuesday. I have an explanation for that, okay? But right now I have a tutorial to attend by 12 p.m. It's currently 11:24 a.m. I should just say it's currently 11:30 a.m. I have 30 minutes to get to school. I can't talk too much. I was going to explain to you guys why I was able to show you Monday and Tuesday, but I think I'll say that when I get back, or in fact, let me just say it now. On Monday, there was nothing too serious. I had a test to write. It was nothing fun to show, really. I had to prepare and go write my test. And on Tuesday was just a low-key day. Okay, rain fell yesterday. It was a low-key day. I could barely see the sun. Okay, it rained all day. I had to study so I could be prepared for today's tutorials, and that was it, really. So I'll just show you what I usually have in my bag and then move. It's a simple day, no makeup day, you know, white shirt, a jean, and my sandals, which you might be seeing later. So this is my favorite bag to take to school. Look at it. It's big enough to have anything inside. I already have a biro and a gum inside. Okay, what I usually take, my handouts, have my jotter. I have my glasses. Okay, depending on my mood. I have my purse where I have my money. I always have 2 or 3 barrels to be safe. I have a calculator. I have my water to drink when I'm thirsty. I have a power bank for the days where I do not have enough power on my phone. And I think that's it. And of course, my keys, So I'll just put everything in the bag and we'll move. So we have like 25 minutes more to get to school. Show you guys. A mask is also a necessity. I always have this in my bag. If not, you'll not be allowed to enter the school compound. So let's go. One hand on my girlie and Mary frog away. Thank the Laja, you be on me now. Mary frog away, you know. Friday night Unruly. In a vibe, find a way to pursue me. Stepped in, I got a peck from Chloe. Dynamics. Now the first thing you ask yourself is what is space dynamics? Whenever you hear the word space dynamics, it's the motion of bodies.
What's the difference between this space and the space we know?
That's the space you're talking about.
Okay.
Yes. Dynamics is that movement, that motion.
Okay.
So the movement of bodies in space is space dynamics. Good. So this one is Mercury so that you don't confuse it with mass. So you tell yourself me, them, J, sun. You can just put in your head like that. Okay. So you know that this one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Sun, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Machiavelli lies around me. Mirror on the wall, looks the flyers on the mall. I'm so clean, we got the glow in the dark. Painting told me she's unruly. Drove out with your girl, I'm sorry.
Friday night I'm having nice time. Me, I'm just balling like a nigga in his full prime. Is that your girl? Man, that's fucked up. She be rolling with my whole squad, nigga, non-stop. Sipping on the Henny cause I got no worries. She said I been a bad boy, but I ain't even sorry. All the bitches fuck with us, yeah, yours truly. I heard you got a girl, I should text now, really. She nigga blue.
Parameters in ABBA that are important. What did I say? 2 parameters. 1. In-text citation. You know the difference?
Yo, now she acting like she know me. The way that she be.
So I have many chin here. And I have my water today.
You call their colleagues there and they close all that day in Kaduna.
One of the best chins ever. Quote me.
I have done that, I should not
Oh wow, I guess. Okay, so I should wait for it to play Friday night. So I am on my way to. I'm done with class. This is 6 p.m. I'm on my way to the market. Yes, I always go to the market late because I just go. I have a spot where I always get my stuff, so I just go there and that's it. Yeah. So after the market, I think we just go get 1 or 2 things. We don't know where here yet. Well, and if you've not heard this jam, I'm going to leave the link in my description box. It's a jam. It's a jam. You have to listen to it. Okay?
Friday night
this sun is. I think the sun is not even really on you. On my end, it's. Hey, man, so clean. We got the glow in the dark.
I can tell she unholy. She heard my last single, now she acting like she know me. Fake ass girl, she be acting all phony. I don't do no regular, only do them VIPs. Nothing now problem, but the money ain't the fucking.
Today is the 18th of September, a Friday, and I'm on my way to school as usual. I'm supposed to be there by 10 a.m. but it's currently 10 a.m. so I'm 10 minutes late. Hopefully they don't get mad at me. So that is the details for today. Today I don't have makeup on. That's why I have my glasses on. Pardon me. Okay. and it's rough hair day, bad hair day, so I have my scarf on. So I had to throw on a black top and jeans. Okay, the road is bad, so my hand is not moving, but that's just what I have on today because I was late, so I had to rush. Maybe you'll see me in class. I'm featuring Gideon on my video again today, but I'll see you guys in school. So this one is integral of area and also integral of inner. So when you say R1 times, note that this is what it is.
Cross product, yeah.
M1 R1. So after this, I think we were drawn, a plane was drawn. Was it at this point?
No, we are to have it and simplify.
Okay, this. Okay, so it's the 19th of September. It's Saturday, a day where I'm supposed to end the vlog, and I'm here. It's called Water Intake, located at Narai or Angwamegero. Go away, don't be my vlog. Is this Narai or Angwamegero? Okay, it's located in Angwamegero. The sunlight is here, that's what I'm actually facing here for. So we're actually walking to, this is my first time here. I heard about this place, but luckily for me, I'm coming to see the place today. So let's see what it looks like, if it's worth the hype. This is where the lightning is, okay, but let's go. Walking towards the river. Gideon just said this is a rice plant, or what do they call it? Rice farm. So he said rice farm is usually close to the water. If you think you have an idea, comment down below and tell me why you think rice farm. Oh, it feels so cool. Like this place is actually so nice for a cool time, cool breezy evening. It's so, oh my god, I've not felt this good in a while. And the funny thing is, today has been so hot. OMG, I love this feel. I love how I feel right now. Can you guys hear the waves? Okay, I don't know if you can. Okay, so this woman does what?
She heaps sand.
She heaps sand for sale. As you can see one over there. So people come here to buy.
Yeah,
and it's,
that's why those trucks. That's why we saw those trucks.
oh, okay. Like big like
Yeah.
companies who need sand
Like if you need sand, you can walk up.
come here to buy. You can't just come to fetch. This thing is natural. It's from God. They will always want to monetize. Okay, I don't know how large this is, but I think I've shown in my vlog, one of my vlogs, I've shown the River Kaduna and the bridge. So this is how, you can imagine how long, and this keeps going. If you're in Kaduna and you know Narai, you know the Narai bridge, this keeps going, and I don't even know where it goes after that.
It pops up on the other. There's another River Kaduna.
Wow.
There's one here, Yakuwa Road.
So you can
I'm sure you
see
can see the bridge from here, sir.
how big River Kaduna is.
That's the bridge.
Oh
You
yes.
see cars passing. So it flows to the other side where I showed
Do
you.
you see that bridge? Okay.
I showed you some days ago. He said he's showing you.
Oh, but it feels okay. This feels like a beach, and I love it. Like, and I'm even so dressed for it. Like I knew I was coming here. This is what they wear to the beach. A very, a very nice palms, so your sand can just flow. You can feel the sand. I should even do this because whoosh, this feels so good. Then I have my shorts. I didn't show you guys how I made this. I made this today. I cut it myself, even though it was not so nice. And I have my crop shirt, my crop top, my glasses, my hair packed nicely, no makeup, just feeling nature, and it feels so, oh no, I don't want to show you. It feels so good, guys. So I think this will be the end of the vlog. It's Saturday, a very cool Saturday evening, so chilled and nice. As always, if I have glasses on, it's because I have no makeup on. We're trying to let the skin breathe. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please, it will mean a lot to me. Leave a comment in the comment section, give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.
I'm having nice time. Me, I'm just balling like a nigga in his full prime. Is that your girl? Man, that's fuck it.
I think a sunset can be witnessed here, but look at this beauty. Whoosh.
I ain't even sorry. All the bitches fuck with us, yeah, yours truly. I heard you got a girl, why she texting on Unruly? She take a blue pill, now she acting like she know me. The way that she be on me, I can tell she unholy. She heard my last single, now she acting like she know me. Fake ass girl, she be acting all phony. I don't do no regular, only do them VIPs. Nothing not problem, but the money ain't the fucking P. Married to the game, you keep trying to be the best man. I control the circle, I'm the nigga with the compass. Friday night, Unruly.